Hi, we are in the series of immutable laws of marketing, and in this video I'm going to explain law of exclusivity to you. Law of exclusivity basically states that it is futile to try and own the same word as your competitor in your customer's mind. For example, when FedEx tried to own the word worldwide in customers' mind, they failed miserably because this word was associated to DHL and customers just recalled only DHL after they heard the word worldwide. And another example could be that of long-lasting batteries. So when I say long-lasting batteries, what comes up in your mind? It's Duracell, right? So however much Eveready tries or any other battery brand will ever try, they will not be able to reduce the impact or the association that Duracell has with that word. Let me give you an example from Indian polity. Right now, election season is going on in India, and the ruling party has created a campaign, and the punchline of the campaign is basically Modi ki guarantee. And they started way back, like they started really early. So right now, the word guarantee is owned by brand Modi in India. Right? So now what opposition trying to do is they are trying to dilute the word guarantee. So Congress is using that we have 11 guarantees. So now they cannot own the same word in customers' mind. This is classic violation of law of exclusivity. Whenever an opposition party leader try to use the word guarantee in any context, what they are doing is they are giving an instant recall for the customers or the voters in this case to the punchline. That is Modi ki guarantee. Law of exclusivity basically is telling you the same thing, right? That if you are trying to own the same word in customers' mind, you are going to fail. As simple as that. Because it's not possible, it's futile, don't try to fight it, just move on and make your own niche. Because once a word finds its association with a particular brand, it helps them create an exclusive niche. And that niche will help them create narratives, set narratives, and set their market also aside. So right now whatever is happening is in classic violation of law of exclusivity. But do you think that opposition is finding success in diluting the word guarantee or owning the word guarantee rather in voters' mind? Do share your views with me, and I shall meet you in the next video with another immutable law of marketing. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye.